Guys, what is up? What is good? We are going to be doing an episode. We're going to be doing a crypto episode, and what this is going to be is this is going to be a little bit different here. And everything might be a little bit different, guys, but if you ever notice, most of these episodes are all the same. So what we're talking about here, guys, is we're talking about altcoins. We are talking about tokens, and we are talking about what is going on with these fucking tokens, guys. Can you guys drop it in the comment section and let me know what tokens? Do you guys think this is going to be a token rally similar to 2017? Do you guys think that this is going to be a Solana go to 1,000? You might say, oh, well, weren't you just making a video yesterday saying Solana's a scam? Yeah, guys, I was. And you know what else I was telling you throughout every single video I make? Not financial advice, because I don't do that. I don't give you guys financial advice. As you see, Solana's taking a jump. It's at $120, $122. And Radium token and a handful of other tokens are up as well. And guys, did anybody ever catch this morning when you guys woke up and saw Ordi at 72 bucks and rats? So we're talking about these tokens, guys, because what we're seeing now on the channel, guys, on cryptocurrency theory is we're seeing basically, these tokens go up. We're seeing these tokens go up, and basically if we see that while the blockchain itself is going up in value, well, guys, we're adding value to the ecosystem. That's what that means. And see, also the main thing to keep in mind here too, guys, is these Ordi BRC20 tokens. And it might seem a bit confusing, guys, because I'm saying like token this, token that, but really we have utility tokens on Solana, utility tokens on, just let's call them contracts. We have contract deployments on Ethereum, and we have contract deployments on Solana, and we have Solana increasing, and we have Ethereum increasing as well. So what this means, as we see the tokens that are built on top of these go up, that means we're seeing an increase demand for these products, because these are essentially products built on top of Solana, products built on top of Ethereum. And guys, this could be huge. You know why? Because we're seeing a BRC20 and we're seeing both of these go up at the same time, right? And basically what this means is, good boy, what this means is we're seeing all this happen at one time in sync as the crypto market is going up. So I think what we'll be seeing in the next couple weeks, guys, is we're going to be seeing massive inflows into pretty much most cryptocurrencies. You're going to see most cryptos go, I would say, 4 to 8x is almost guaranteed. If a token or a coin is just absolute garbage, you know, maybe less and less and less. But I would say a lot of the market, even coins you might not like, you might not want to go up, I would say these coins, guys, they're going to go up too. And you know, that's the nature of the beast. That's the nature of this crypto beast, because we have a couple different markets creating a good amount of revenue for bag holders, people that have been mining this stuff, people that have been building this stuff out, and they're finally able to offload some of their debt, and their bags are exploding. That's basically what's happening. Everybody's bag is starting to go up, regardless of really what coin you're holding. So I would say that if this continues and we see a good inflow into crypto, anywhere from 500 billion to, you know, another trillion. I mean, we're moving fast at this point, guys. I would say at this point we'll be up to 2 trillion probably by the end of the year. You know, that might include 200-300 pumps on some of your favorite coins. So again, guys, not financial advice on this channel, guys. If you're watching the channel, you know, I hope you're entertained, but you know, we just can't tell with crypto how, you know, I don't think anybody really can tell. Even Wall Street people, even people that are, you know, got big bags, big hands into some of these coins, they can't even tell unless they're actually deploying the ERC20 contract, and they're actually monitoring the trading and that kind of stuff. And there are a lot of coins, guys, that are doing that. But I would say for the most part, like if you're just, you know, a retail trader, you're just fucking, you know, working for a hedge fund or a trading firm, you're not likely going to have any pull in crypto, guys. You're just going to have to go where the liquidity is being made at. And that's in a handful of coins right now. So, I mean, I guess that's all I got in this video, guys. We're just watching the altcoin market pretty close here. We're watching the Bitcoin core market. We're watching the Ethereum market, the Solana market now, which is huge at this point. And we're just watching some of these alternative markets to see where the inflows of capital are coming. I mean, is this Bitcoin ETF going to open the doors for altcoin season, right? That's kind of what it is. Is the Bitcoin ETF gonna open the door for some of these altcoin seasons? So guys, I am going to be doing a live today. I know I said I wasn't, but we'll be on live here pretty soon. And we'll catch you guys in the next episode.